My name is Hayley Crowell. I'm an ecology and environmental biology major, class of 2010. Well, I actually did my internship this past summer. I did it to get a better idea of what the working world was like in my field. I'm not exactly 100% sure of what I want to do after I get my bachelor's degree. I think I want to go to grad school, but I wasn't the exact field I want to work in. I'm a little bit unsure of, so I was just essentially trying out different jobs. Right. I worked at Highlands Biological Station. It's in southwestern North Carolina. It's a research station up in just south of the Smoky Mountains, up in the mountains, and they do summer classes and there's seminars and there's a lot of public education, and there's a big nature center that does public education, and that was where I worked, was in the nature center. So I did summer camps, I led hikes, I answered questions about local wildlife, and there were also gardens there. I took people through the botanical gardens and talked about the wildlife and plants you could see. And then I also took care of the nature center too, took care of the animals and cleaning and exhibit display setup and stuff like that. Well, after I get my bachelor's, I would like to go to grad school, hopefully, to the PhD level. I would like to study reptiles, study herpetology, but I'm not 100% sure what exactly my focus is going to be on that. If I want to teach in colleges or I want to do field research, I'm not sure, so that's why I did this internship, so I could dabble a little bit more in the public education aspect of it, because that's never something I thought about before I did this internship. At this point, I'm thinking I'm a little more sure that I don't want to go into environmental education. I don't know if it's for me. I really liked the field aspect, the field work, being out in the woods and collecting animals. Like, that definitely helped me focus more on that, decide that's what I like a lot more, so it narrowed my focus a lot. The best actually is definitely just getting to see all the new places, like living down in North Carolina. I'd never lived there before, so I got to see a lot of like old growth forests, a lot of wildlife that I've never seen before. So it's just neat seeing all the different parks and places, and like Smoky Mountains National Park, I've never been there, so I got to go all over that and to hikes out there. It was just really cool to see a different part of the country. The most challenging was definitely teaching summer camps, adjusting the biology lectures to the different age groups. It's hard to take the same material for 4 to 7-year-olds and then adapt it for 15-year-olds, and sometimes you make stuff a little too simple or a little too difficult, and it's hard to adjust the teaching styles, definitely. I have any respect for education majors.